Good morning, class 9th. So today we start the chapter number 6. So chapter 6, some definitions are there. So kindly mark on these definitions on your book and write in your notebook. First one is a line segment. The definition of line segment is a line with two endpoints is called a line segment. Means both the endpoints should be there. The line will be stopped. So this will be called a line segment. First definition. Then second, ray. A part of a line with one endpoint is called a ray. This will be the second definition. Write in your notebook. Okay. Mark it and write in your notebook fast. Then next one. Now noted that the line segment AB is denoted by like this, AB. And its length is denoted by AB. This also you have to write. Here both the arrows are there, I think. Both the arrows should be there. The ray AB is denoted by a single arrow, this one. And a line is denoted by both the arrows. Or no need to write this whole thing right from here only. The ray AB is denoted by like this and line is denoted by this much only. Okay. After that, next heading is collinear points. So for collinear points, right from here, if three or more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear points. Otherwise, they are called non-collinear points. So these are the definition of collinear and non-collinear points. Now next one is angle. Mark from here, what is an angle? An angle is formed by when two rays, these are the rays. I will a little bit scroll down. These are called as a ray, these one, arrow one. An angle is formed when two rays originate from the same end point. The ray making an angle are called arms. These are called the arms, okay? And the end point is called the vertex. This one will be called as a vertex. These are end points are called a vertex. So mark up to there. Now these are some type of angles. Acute angle. Acute angle is the angle from between 0 and 90 degree. Like 60, 30, 45. These all are called acute angles. Second one, right angle. It will be 90 degree only. Third one, obtuse angle. More than 90 but less than 180. So this will be the obtuse angle. This will be the straight angle. 180 complete. And reflex angle means more than 180 but less than 360. These are the types of angle. Mark all these diagrams. Then next definition will be adjacent angle. Mark from here. Two angles are adjacent if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and there no common arm are on different side of the common arm. Means if you look at that, these two angles are there, this and this will be the common arm. Then these angles are called adjacent angles. Then next one will be the linear pair. Linear pair of angles. Mark this diagram also you have to draw. Means a straight line is there. Linear pair means the sum of the angle of both these angles will be what? 180 degree. So a straight line should be there. This will be called a linear pair. No definition was there. And this also vertically opposite angle. Now the vertically opposite angle formed when two lines say AB and CD intersect each other at the point O. There are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. Like these two are equal. AOD will be equals to COB. These two should be equal. And here AOC and DOB will be equal. So these are called the vertically opposite angles. These are the intersecting lines and non-intersecting lines. No need to write this thing. Now mark all these things, and after that I think we start directly the exercise only. Yes, directly exercise was there. 6.1. So mark all these definitions, and after that we start the exercise 6.1 from the next class. So thank you all of you. Be safe at home.